Hi, today in front of me Amazon Fire HD8 Kids Pro, and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So first we should open the notification panel shortcuts, and here you should find the screen record icon. Just hold for a while this icon or just touch to this icon, and now before the starting our recording we'll see here this record audio switcher. So now this switcher is turned off, so that means that we'll just record the mute video. If you wanna use the microphone or the system sounds, you should click on the switcher, tap here to the stroke, and here we'll see the microphone, device audio and microphone together. So for example, if you want to comment something, you could the microphone. You can also just separately use the device audio or together to these options, and after that just click to start your recording. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.